Dark green 16 ounces olive oil sprayer for cooking, 2-in-1 spray and pour olive oil dispenser, 470 ml glass spray oil bottle with stickers. Item details. Brand name Jareho. Customer reviews 3.9 out of 5 stars, 78. 3.9 out of 5 stars. Best sellers ranked number 1,80,331 in kitchen and dining, see top 100 in kitchen and dining. Number 271 in oil dispensing oil sprayers. Asin B0DKSH69 Jawa vegetable chopper for mandolin slicer, 15-in-1 veggie choppers, cheese grater, onion cutter with container, kitchen gadgets essentials, vegetable dicer, onion mincer, tomato slicer, white. About this item. 15-in-1 multifunctional design. Upgrade your kitchen with this stainless steel mandolin slicer, featuring 8 specialized blades, garlic grating, slicing, crinkle cuts, thick/thin shredding, small/large dicing, and fries pressing, plus 7 essential tools. 2 interchangeable blade bases adapt to any task, replacing 15+ single-purpose gadgets. Great for julienning veggies. Bamboo fruit basket for kitchen, 3-tier fruit bowl for kitchen counter, large fruit holder with banana hangers, idea for vegetable storage, bread display, snack organizer white. About this item. Large capacity, GMTSL fruit basket for kitchen counter used as large wooden fruit bowl with 2 banana hooks. You can put fresh fruit, bread, snack in each tier. Different sizes, 2 or 3 tiers, meets different vegetable storage needs. Each basket can be used separately. Stable and durable, GMTSL fruit Rubbermaid Brilliance food storage containers, BPA-free airtight lids, ideal for lunch meal prep and leftovers, set of 5, 3.2 cup. About this item. 100% leak proof, guaranteed no spill, seal and secure latches, crystal clear Triton built, stain resistant and odor resistant material for a clear view of contents, lightweight, unsturdy, easy to carry, yet durable for everyday use, built-in vents, convenient microwave heating without removing the lid, space saving, stackable, designed for organized fridge or pantry, dishwasher, microwave and freezer safe, easy and safe to use in various conditions. Large set, includes 5 3.2 cup containers and magnetic spice rack for refrigerator, kitchen organizer, and storage shelf, black, 4-pack. Material acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. Color black. Special feature detachable, lightweight, washable. Product dimensions 4.1 x 10.94 inches wide by 3.1 inches high. Shelf type, floating shelf. About this item. Magnetic design, innovative magnetic spice rack attaches securely to refrigerator doors, keeping spices organized and within easy reach. Space saving, compact and sleek, this 4-pack rack system maximizes storage space on your fridge without occupying valuable counter space. Sturdy construction, made of durable plastic with powerful deep fryer pot, 304 stainless steel Japanese frying pot with oil drain, temperature control, and lid, temper deep fryer pot for kitchen stove/induction cooker, French fries fryer chicken, 9.4 inches. About this item. Stainless steel construction, small deep fryer pot is crafted from durable 304 stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting performance and excellent heat insulation, ideal for frying many foods, French fries, chicken nuggets, tempura, squid, shrimp, peanuts, fish. Versatile cooking options, Japanese deep fryer pot compatible with gas, electric, and induction cooktops. Deep frying pot is for various cooking methods, frying, boiling, stewing, simmering. Elevate your kitchen experience with this essential cooking tool. Precision temperature control, Cumeop Japanese deep fryer, powerful immersion blender, electric hand blender, 500 watt with turbo mode, detachable base. Handheld kitchen blender stick for soup, smoothie, puree, baby food, 304 stainless steel blades, gray. About this item. Powerful blender, the hand blender has a motor of 500 watts and 4 sharp blades to grind unruly lumps, stubborn clumps, tough meats, and rock-hard fruits for smoothies, soups, milkshakes, and batters. Turbo Boost. For additional power and speed, use the turbo button on your emulsion blender. You will get a boost speed perfect for blending tougher stuff. Slow-in pickle jar with strainer flip, 34 ounces pickle container, glass kraut juice separator jar leak-proof airtight lid, hourglass food storage flip jar for olive, jalapeno, sliced pickles dishwasher safe. About this item. Borosilicate glass. Double leak-proof upgrade. The upgraded version of the pickle jar with strainer flip features a double leak-proof design. It has obtained the California 85 certification, which further guarantees its quality. The threaded design on the inside of the lid, coupled with a silicone sealing ring, ensures an airtight seal, keeping the olives delicious and fresher in the juice for a longer period. Ensuring the lid is tightly seated and the silicone seal. Top with hot pot electric with steamer, 1.5 liters ramen cooker, non-stick frying pan, electric pot for pasta, BPA-free, electric cooker with dual power control, overheating and boil dry protection, green. About this item. Multi-use cooker with steamer. This electric pot comes with a 304 stainless steel steamer that allows you to steam vegetables/seafood above while cooking below. With this electric pot, you can cook ramen, hot pot, sauté, and stir fry. The long handle design also makes frying and cleaning easier. Dual power setting. Our top with hot pot electric is equipped with dual power settings, 250 watts and 600. Personal smoothie blender, 1000 watts single serve smoothie maker with 24 ounces portable travel cups, ideal for protein shakes, frozen drinks, and kitchen use. About this item. Powerful ice crushing Topsy 1000 watts powerful motor, max 1200 watts, to make healthy fruit smoothies and ice drinks. What your taste. Provide a cool feeling in the scorching summer days. Excellent taste. Topsy 24 ounces portable blender cup can easily make fresh fruit juice and healthy foods, which helps maintain a healthy diet. Multifunction blender. Topsy personal blender is equipped with stainless steel 6-layer glass teapot set with 4 double-wall teacups and removable stainless steel infuser, microwave dishwasher safe clear blooming loose leaf teas, tea maker gift. About this item. We care, and that's why we bring to you this beautiful and elegant clear glass teapot set. Rest and relax while you watch your tea brew and be transported to a 5-star spa experience at the comfort of your own home. The teapot holds 35 ounces, allowing you to serve 4 to 6 cups worth, while enjoying tea time with your family and friends at any social gathering. Gift to a tea lover. Impress your family and friends with such a unique and elegant gift idea. It is a complete teapot set with tea samplers, making it a one-stop tea set for both a tea enthusiast or someone new to tea drinking. This teapot set can be given as a Babylon kitchen compost bin hanging trash can with lid, 1.05-gallon stainless steel garbage can for kitchen cabinet, door-mounted trash can under sink door, RV bathroom, white. About this item. Premium 401 stainless steel Babylon kitchen compost bin comes with a precisely fit stainless steel lid, enhances the sealing effect, better at blocking odors and fruit flies. It has strong bearing capacity, waterproof and rust-proof, easy to clean and not easy to be damaged by collision. Wall-mounted /countertop/under sink trash can, no need to bend over. The trash can provide 2 opening and installation methods, effortless and fits for most cabinet doors, pantry doors.